Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to delete apps on iPhone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to delete apps on iPhone. Now the first method is very simple. Suppose if you want to delete Facebook, then just touch and hold it, then tap on remove app, then tap on delete app, then tap on delete again to confirm it. And it's done. Now you can see Facebook has been deleted successfully. Now for the second method, go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Now from here find the app that you want to delete. Suppose if you want to delete Messenger, then just tap here, and here you can see delete app option, then just tap on delete app, then tap on delete app again, and it's done. Now the Messenger has been deleted successfully. And that is how you can delete apps on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.